don't cover up child abuse.
Also, OPM heads west for the Jamaica House media briefing, and Prime Minister celebrates the service of Scarlett Gillings. I'm Simone Wolf with Jamaica House Weekly. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has called for Jamaicans to not cover up instances of child abuse in their communities.
Don't shield your wife, mother, father, husband, friend, sweetheart, sugar daddy, brother, uncle, neighbor, or friend if that person is hurting a child or inappropriately involved with a child.
Mrs. Simpson Miller was speaking at a Unite for Change conference last Friday. She also encouraged persons to say what they know about known or suspected child abuse cases.
We must report child abuse to the police and especially the Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse, SISOCO, the Child Development Agency, the Office of the Children's Advocate, and the Office of the Children Registry.
The Unite for Change conference was held under the theme, Do the Right Thing, Volunteer to Protect Our Children. Minister responsible for information, Senator Sandra Faulkner, was also at the Unite for Change conference and made her own plea.
Let us stand together and actively work to protect our children from all forms of violence, especially gender-based violence. Do the right thing and volunteer to protect our children.
On Friday afternoon, the Information Minister met with the union delegate and worker representatives of the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica, PBCJ. This after 7 PBCJ employees staged a demonstration outside Parliament Friday morning. In a statement, Minister Faulkner said she had asked the Human Resource Division to look into the concerns raised by the workers. The minister also scheduled separate meetings with the management and staff to resolve the issues. Before that, Senator Faulkner was in the Second City where she convened a Jamaica House media briefing. It was part of activities for the biennial Jamaica Diaspora Conference, which was held from June 13 to 18 in Montego Bay. Senator Faulkner used the occasion to update the diaspora and citizens of Western Jamaica on cabinet deliberations. Among them, a $7 million water supply system for the Kingston metropolitan area, amendments to the Customs Act, and the revision of the national HIV policy. Behavior modification was Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller's message as she visited the Coburn Gardens Primary and Junior High School on Friday.
This morning, we are taking steps to ensure the positive development of our children. What is being done today will have a far-reaching impact on improving the well-being of our students. We must make every effort to prepare the next generation for a successful future.
She was addressing the launch of the Achenbach System of Empirically Based Assessment, a SEBA behavior modification program. The initiative is designed to proactively identify students with behavioral problems and recommend intervention to effectively deal with the issues.
We are taking steps to ensure the positive development of our children. What is being done today will have a far-reaching impact on improving the well-being of our students. We must make every effort to prepare the next generation for a successful future.
On Wednesday, Mrs. Simpson Miller celebrated the contributions of Scarlett Gillings, the outgoing managing director of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JSIF.
It is significant when someone spends 30 years working to improve the living conditions of other people. This is what her career, which spans more than 30 years, has been about. Her efforts have been central to the national program to alleviate and eradicate poverty in Jamaica.
Scarlett Gillings served JSIF for 18 years as managing director, during which time Jamaica recorded significant reduction in poverty levels. The Prime Minister also welcomed JSIF's new managing director Omar Sweeney to the post. Sweeney is a former regional director for the Jamaica Public Service Company. Digicel's new CEO, David Butler, also paid a visit to Prime Minister Simpson Miller on Tuesday. The two spoke of how the CEO would build on Digicel's involvement in Jamaica. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Join us next week for more of the stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.